We start the game.
I tried to find it. Shut the fuck up, pussy.
Bill, you start. When
I did start. I did start.
Yo, Bill, sauce that.
I'll sauce you. You don't speak to me right.
Can you please sauce that? Why is everyone on fuck?
Sorry, I have to get Jace first.
Who the fuck is Kishanti?
That's gotta be cultural appropriation.
No,
she pretty.
Wait, Jace!
So silly, because he didn't even want Jace.
I did want Jace!
Oh, you did.
Jace-kun? I get
Poncho.
0 bitches.
I know.
I know. That is true. That's true.
Walk around with 2 glizzies in my pocket.
You walk around with 2 glizzies in your pocket?
Yes, like hot dogs. Oh fuck, I got the wrong Jace rooms. GG. Yo, always invade, always invade, always invade.
No.
Oh no! Oh no! They're coming! They're coming!
They don't know. Joseph Kuhn!
Ha! They know! Oh what?
I brought them all super low.
Oh yeah. This is where the fuck. Yeah.
I'm gonna do like this. Don't
Keep going! Oh my god! Get this bitch out of you! Oh yeah! Oh my god! I got 3 kills off the rippers! Off the rippers! Oh, make it 4. I'm going back by the way.
Yo, by the way, I lost top lane.
Oh no! You're a dickhead for that. Let's press him. Let's zone him. Yeah, good boy.
So what, you gonna judge me? You can't judge me since I'm a perfect Akali player. They call me Jesus. Akali Jesus.
Yo, Silas is
Show guys
up
very good though.
Huh? Look at my score,
If that was me, I would have flashed out of the chains and they killed them.
We just died. I have 3 assists. I just want to say that. Benny, you're only 2-1 because of me.
Yeah, but I have 4 KP.
Yeah, and you're only 2-1 because of me. I called the invade. What did you say?
Me no want invade. Nah,
that was all Ricky, no cap.
Yo, always invade.
No.
We all heard you. You have a very fat voice. Everybody knows your voice.
Don't call me fat.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
That's very fat phobic.
Shut the fuck up. Of course the fat person. Yo, Darius is coming.
Oh no, Benny-san.
Wait.
Oh! Benny-san!
I'm here, Ricky. Oh wait, he has art.
Just leave, bro.
Ricky-kun.
Wait.
Why are you fighting, bro?
You missed. You missed.
Oh, Joel's a very angry boy right now.
Fuck are you fighting, bro? It's my lane, bro. We're switching. You're going top. I'm going mid. I don't give a fuck. Don't give me no. I'm not getting a decision. I'm going mid.
I said nope.
You can't feed my laner 2 kills and think I'm fine with it. That's not how it works, dumbass.
It's not my fault you didn't move.
Huh? I pinged it many times, actually. I pinged it many times. I even told you to leave. Mmany times.
Oh, I guess you guys see us.
It's my lane. What are you talking about?
Oh yeah.
I'll deal with your fed laner. This guy's an elo terrorist.
I've 0 deaths. Yep, that's what I thought, pussy.
Elo terrorist.
I have 0 deaths.
Oh yeah, Benny.
Oh yeah, now you win that.
Oh my god. You're so good.
I had to deal with Joe's laner.
0 deaths.
I'm trolling.
Yo, Joe, you want your laner back?
Nope. You guys fed him 2 kills. I don't want that guy.
Alright, I'll keep killing him for you.
I already made him 0-2, but like Benny just had to like fucking suck at this game.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Nope, you did everything wrong. Oh my god.
Oh lord.
Jungle.
Holy fuck.
What do you mean jungle diff? Their junglers on top. Yo, Ricky, step up your game.
How the fuck did you go from 3-1 to 3-3?
Man, my dick sucked over here. I can't even lie.
Yo, switch. Go back mid.
Nah,
Go back
I ain't
mid, go back
switching
mid.
now. You don't got a choice.
Oh, who the fuck said, like, yo, why you be so mean? I asked you if you wanted top and you said yes. We're switching. You're going top.
Nope. Now I want to stay top.
I want you to kill yourself. Holy fuck, that bitch's orders no damn. Yo, Darius is coming. Darius. And he's still dead.
Ooh.
Who said I'm dead?
Huh? I said you live, dumbass. You want me to kill your family?
Huh? You can
Why do you
kill
look
him.
like you're running for me, Bill?
I don't know, my guy.
Let's go. Ricky, you have mana for this?
What a pussy.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Very clean, brother. It's very clean.
But you didn't want to face Darius. Did I bring him down to a level where you can play against him?
Called you shit.
But like, the ticket that he brought Darius to level 9, and I brought Syndra to level 8. So like, who's really the shit one though? You know what I mean?
He called you
I
dog
brought
shit,
both of them
brother.
to level 8.
No, I just took out both of them at the same time. Like, I'm literally, it's a 1v3, bro. I just killed Silas, I just killed Darius, and all Syndra's here. What have you been doing?
I'm more KP than you.
Yeah, because of my invade. My invade.
You didn't call that. Man.
Yeah, always invade, always invade, always invade. Yes, I did.
You know what, Joe? When you get 3-man yanked, I'm gonna watch you.
I already did. I just killed 3 people. It's all 3 of them. Keep it. I just killed all 3 of them.
Okay, by the way, guys.
Separately.
No, 2 of them were together and 1 of them was individually. I don't know what to tell you.
Joe, stop being such a smartass.
I don't like you.
Yo, Joe's going crazy.
Oh, I missed a tech minion. Fucking Benny, bro. I'm coming to save you since like always be my help. Benny, you really died to this guy? Benny, bro.
Burned all his mana for you, and he has no
Benny,
arm.
bro. Benny, bro. Benny, please. Be good at the game, bro. Come on now.
You still have less.
Damn.
Look at your laner went crazy. What the hell?
Bro,
And
I
you
haven't-
can't even do anything about it.
That's your laner. I'm the mid laner, dumbass.
No, I'm the mid laner.
You said you didn't want to switch back. You can't just switch back when you want. You switch back
Well,
when you don't.
according to my map positioning or my tab positioning,
You
it says the admin and your top.
kill yourself, you stupid little slut. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look. The whole team is on me. Who the f cares, bro? You know what I mean? Like, I just kill, bro. Oh, he's 1 and 8.
Yeah, I made him that way.
Alright, Bill, instead of fucking instigating me and Benny, how about you get yourself some kills, you useless bitch?
Okay, well, like, how about like, I wasn't even in this. Like, this beef was between you and Benny. Like, why are you even stepping into me?
And then you entered it away.
Like this.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I got 3 kills off the ripper.
I think that many times. Yo, that's.
I'm troll. Holy, like, why you like, why you even stepping into me? This is YouTube.
No instigate me
This
and
is
Benny, bro.
YouTube.
This is between me and Benny, bro.
Oh yeah, exactly. It's between you and Benny. Benny thinks you're shit. So I personally like Benny thinks you're.
You lose this lane.
Bro, look who he's losing to. This guy's a whole fucking bar, bro. This guy, how are you losing to this guy, bro?
What do you mean how did I lose? We got tower first. No, we didn't.
It's all 3 of them, keep it. It's got all 3 of them.
Okay, by the way, guys.
Separately.
No, 2 of them were together.
But that's the thing, cause like jungle type shit, cause Herald, cause of the Herald. That's cause of the Herald. The only reason why you get the game, cause like Benny like kind of like killed your laner like 3,000 times. Like you really didn't do anything type shit, really. Oh god, Benny kind of did all the work. Like I don't know why you like peeking up like that. You literally just did all the like the least work.
All I'm saying is I was 2-0 before I switched lanes, so.
All I'm saying is Benny is like literally doing everything. You just literally just like pot picking it and type shit.
2,000 years later.
Nobody's doing
Like no, it's like I just killed these 2 guys like so easy, bro. Like come on, like off my dick.
6.5 hours later.
Benny was the guy, like Benny was the guy that got you everything, bro. Come on, like that's literally your daddy type shit. Like that's literally your daddy.
A few inches later.
Benny, it's not even between me and Bill, bro. It's between me and you. Like, Bill has nothing to do with this. He's literally dog shit. He's not even double digit in like in XP, bro.
I would Joe for this one. I
Yeah.
can go from 3-0 to 6-3.
All I'm saying is the beef was between you and Joe. Like off my dick, brother.
We're on your dick because you're instigating and you're not doing really anything. All right?
What do you mean?
You're really
I think I'm
running
positive.
this game.
I'm positive though.
Look at you. Look at you.
Oh my god, fam. I was too busy looking. Bro, like you didn't even do shit, bro. Like get off my dick, bro. You didn't really do shit type shit, bro. Just like all your other kills, bro. Like you just get help for all of them, bro. Come on, now. Off my PP, bro.
Yeah, okay. Me and Benny have a mutual agreement that you're absolute dog shit and me and Benny are good.
Okay, but like he's still your daddy though. Like he's still your daddy. Like yeah. We can both agree that I'm the dog shit one. But like again, like you're literally still another man's bitch, bro. You know
I'm
what I'm
not
saying?
nobody's bitch. I'm
Nah,
not
you're still another man's bitch though. Like
Yeah,
real
same
shit, you're still
team.
not.
We're both very good players right now.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Oh!
Stop minting.
Shut the fuck up. Tell me how I died and I still have a 550 bounty, bro. You don't even have a 550 bounty. Fucking ass.
I'm back. What is happening?
Don't have a mutual agreement, Bill's ass, and me and Benny are fighting for number 1.
Benny's still your dad. Like it's literally like that's literally the crazy
Well,
part.
Bill's dick riding Benny, because I don't know, he's so
'Cause
off
that's-
with his brain.
No. I'm thinking about it because you had to get on my ass for no reason type shit. You know what I mean?
Well, that's because you're look at you. You're pathetic, bro. But like, all I'm saying is like, Bill, like, you need to step up. Like, it's not even about me and Benny anymore. Me and
Okay.
Benny are civilized.
I mean like Benny was still talking shit until you started talking shit to me. So like who said it was civilized type shit?
Now that we're talking shit, you're all on my dick, bro.
That's 2 of them. That's literally 2 people.
Don't worry,
That's
Joe Kun. I'll save you.
No, I don't need your saving. Get the fuck away from me, dirty slut.
there's-
Yeah, look at that. I got 2 kills on my own, huh, Bill? You gonna say something? Benny did that.
It's already the work's already done. Like you're already strong type shit.
I won 1 HP, bro.
What the fuck was that?
Oh my god, I have to assist you somewhere here or another. Look at that, 800 damage to the Zyra, no problem. 1,000 damage to the fucking Silas, no problem.
I killed the Silas for you. He was about to kill you.
Oh yeah.
He's not having fun right now.
Oh, they
You're
surrender.
welcome.
They surrender.
Wait, we have the same KP, so I guess we can
Hey,
chill
yeah.
for now.
Hey, we're good. Good job,
But
man.
we can agree Bill sucked.
Bill fucking sucked.
He literally hand fed you 3 kills and you couldn't win.
No. But the
Yeah,
thing is though,
I
but the thing is
do,
though,
I
the thing is though, like I only happened to get the kill though, because I was there. That wasn't really hand fed. Like I actually did like I it's not like I walked in and just clicked one time and got the kill type shit. You know what I mean?
None of that. No.
It's not like I.